Looking for a budget-friendly but powerful plasma cutter? Meet the YESWELDER Cut 60 DS Pro, a 4-in-1 multifunctional plasma cutter designed for professionals and DIY metalworkers. Show product from different angles plus on-screen text highlights. 4-in-1 multifunctional tool. With plate cutting, grid cutting, gouging, and marking, this machine is built for versatility. Non-high frequency start. Its blowback start system ensures a smooth, interference-free start, safe for operators and nearby electronics. Cutting power. At 60 amps, it delivers clean cuts up to 3/4 inch at 220 V, and maximum cuts up to 1 inch, with precision and speed. The non-touch Pilot Arc Torch lets you cut through rusty, painted, or rough surfaces with ease. Digital display and safety. Zoom in on the screen and controls. Its digital display gives real-time monitoring of air pressure, voltage, and current, with built-in error codes for easy troubleshooting. Plus, safety protections like overload and overheating keep your work safe. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark affordable price at only $299.99 for Prime members. White heavy checkmark 4-in-1 versatility. White heavy checkmark compact, portable, and easy to use. Crossmark requires an external air compressor. Crossmark beginners may need practice with gouging and marking. Montage of different projects: car repair, fabrication shop, metal art. Perfect for auto repair, fabrication shops, pre-weld prep, and even DIY art projects. The YESWELDER Cut 60 DS Pro is a true all-rounder. Priced at just $299.99 on Amazon, the YESWELDER Cut 60 DS Pro delivers premium performance without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Backhand index pointing right like thumbs up, subscribe bell, comment below if you've tried this cutter.